sa rooftop.
Okay, ito. Say hi.
Kami ng hotdog. Okay.
Ako na. Tamaan ka na. Hindi ko nga alam itong pang...
Go, stay away to Kate, ha? Doon, anak. Go na, go.
Okay.
Ayaw na?
Do it.
Do it daw, do it.
Do it hard. This message goes on the fireworks. Make it too strong.
Where's your small electric fan? Where, take the in the drawer.
It's inside in the hole.
Take.
Fast. Don't they put it there? Can't see that fix me. Go to the darkness and look this or of this mess here. Take or of this mess.
Look at this mess.
Ay, kayo daw nagsusumba sa TV. Nagsusumba.
Ay, pa-vlog to. Vlogger.
Vlogger! I want to sit down.
Wow, sarap dito, Kate.
Ito naman tayo.
Wala tayong ano, Kate.
Burn the train.
Asan yung bonnet? May bagong laman pa doon? Hindi, gagamitin namin to.
Kid, kunin yung bonnet,
Hindi ka
Kate.
na, ano?
Nilalamig ka na.
I want bonnet. This is trying to make a nature.
Kasi
Make
tablet ko
super
ayun,
yummy, make super over this nature. I love this nature. I want to cook stuff.
Kate, yung picture me, oh.
Okay. This is my favorite hotdog. Show me my favorite.
Tanggalin ba yun?
Money,
May nag-aangkat natin.
I got something new. This or the mess. Of this mess. And overtake here. This is a fireworks. That's a fireworks. The positions of fireworks. And even here. And the earth's getting blower. And the guts takes the balloon here. Brighter and brighter. Then the side here should be set, should be gold should. And my side and my scooter, they show to set this 1 6. Okay. I can see someone else's cold and also should have it somebody with my fireworks. I'm just not my fireworks. Look at this. Happy la 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 la. Go it, to chili. La 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 la. Shishi, Hollywood, This was good. This time.
Kasi kaya ako makakalimutan.
Happy, we're going to
Baka ano lang nila yun, baka hindi Leia, see you tomorrow. Eh, sasama daw ng daddy niya to. Kasi nga mag-iihaw din sila doon sa Manokan. Di ba New Year pa? Ay, marami akong babaonin pagkain bukas. Eh, tumatawag na si Tita Baboy.